Hello, my name is Mateja. I come from Slovenia. I'm an ophthalmologist that does aesthetic procedures. I think this is the future, regenerative medicine. We want to look the same but better, recognizable. When we go to a reunion, we want our friends from high school to say, well, you look the same, but better. I was looking very hard on the internet and I saw very positive reviews on the internet about your course, and I expected a lot and you delivered very, very much. The hands-on training and the cooperation with the mentors, you can ask them practically anything and they allow you to do as much as possible. It's a really practical hands-on course. To see as much as possible in these 2 days. We covered face, we covered body, we covered fillers, Botox, we've covered serums, anti-cellulite therapy, lasers. We covered practically everything there is to cover, so amazing, really. We had to prepare ourselves at home with this online lecture, so you come prepared, you know a lot of things from your practical work at home and from these lectures. So you come prepared, they comprehend everything in the beginning, and afterwards you repeat, if I may say repeat, everything through hands-on, so it's good. I have learned a lot of things. You have to be brave, you have to try, you have to listen to the patient, you have to bond with the patient and cooperate with him and age with him. I would definitely recommend this course.